This one is better than new. It's a 1999 C5 Corvette Convertible with under 7,000 miles and loads of options. That by itself makes this a very desirable car, but this one goes well beyond the factory offering with a supercharged 500 horsepower motor and multiple other upgrades. There's a lot to talk about here. This West Coast car looks like you'd expect from a vehicle with such few miles. It is in impeccable condition. It has been garage kept its entire life. It looks fantastic with its torch red paint and tan top. It's further accented by Weld Racing wheels with Bridgestone Potencer tires. Everything extremely clean, right down to the door jambs. The car has been upgraded with LED lighting and accessories from Ajor. The factory LS1 motor has received plenty of performance upgrades, starting with a ProCharger P1SC supercharger and intake with dual intercoolers. Other improvements include PRC Stage 2.5 CNC ported heads and a Texas Speed 228-232 camshaft with .06 lift. Power steering is all stock, while the brakes have painted calipers with drilled and slotted rotors all around. The tan interior looks and smells like new. Everything functions properly as well. The Corvette was equipped with the optional sport bucket seats, heads-up display, dual-zone climate control, remote CD changer, memory package, tilt, telescoping steering wheel. Both seats are power as well. There really aren't any options this car doesn't have. In addition, it has a wind deflector for less noise with the top down. The original window sticker and a car cover are also included. This is one spectacular Corvette. For additional information, or if you have any questions, feel free to call my cell phone, which is listed in the description below.